Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to customize the order of featured products on Shopify. For example, you can see right here, I'm on my Shopify website and you can see how I have my featured products. The first item is the travel suitcase and then I have this right here. Now to change the order, all you'll need to do is go on your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner and you're going to select products. After selecting products, you're going to see the option right here where you see collections. You're going to tap on that. After selecting collections, you're going to select the collections that is currently displayed on your home page. If you haven't created a collection before, more than likely it will be your home page collection. So you're going to tap on home page. And by the way, this collection is automatically created by Shopify once you add products to your Shopify store. So you can see right here. The next thing you want to do, you're going to see sort. You're going to select manual. After you have selected manual, I'll select browse to add back that particular item. So let's say I were to add these 3 items, then tap on done. Then let me refresh this page right here real quick so you can see. So this is how the page looks at the moment, and I'm going to carry this item to the front of the featured products. To do that, all I'll need to do once I'm back in collection, after you have selected sort manual, you will realize that you now see 6 dots beside each item. All you have to do is simply tap on the 6 dots, then simply move the product or item to where you would like it to be. So I would like this to be the first product on the featured display, so I'll do that. Once I refresh this page, you will realize that the order of the products have changed, as you can see right there. And let's say I would like this to be the last product, so I'm going to simply move that also. So I'll simply tap right there and I'll move it to third. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to refresh the page. So once I refresh the page, you can see right there. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And by the way, if I were to change the sort from manual to, for example, best selling, you can see that you no longer see the 6 dots beside them. But once I tap on sort and I select manual, it will automatically allow me to sort it manually. Thanks for watching, and if you want any more videos like this, be sure to let me know in the comment section, and thanks again.